Did you know that? During the Spanish era, church bells didn't just signal prayer, they controlled every moment of Filipino life. From waking up at sunrise to going to bed at night, campanas rang out across towns like invisible chains. Bell at 6. Time to work. Bell at noon. Time to eat. Bell at 8 p.m. Go home. It wasn't just religion, it was regulation. The friars didn't need soldiers. They had sound. But here's what they didn't expect. Filipino townsfolk learned to manipulate the bells. In secret fiestas or escapes, one trusted sacristan could ring a false bell and give rebels time to move. The very tool of control became a weapon for freedom. So next time you hear a church bell, remember, it once ruled a people. And then, it helped free them.